So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the bullet point style in a Keynote presentation. So first and foremost, open up Keynote once you have it. Go to the top and press on text. I will just type in bullet point style. I will then make the bullet point style or this text here a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So if you want to change the bullet point style, first off you have to add a bullet point. So press on the text right here, scroll down to where it says bullets. You can go ahead and just add a bullet point just like this. Now if you want to change the style, simply go down to where it says bullet right here, and you can actually change it so you can have stars. You can have whatever this is. You can kind of have a check mark, whatever the case may be. You can play around with it. You can also change it to an image as well. You can change this to a letter. You can change this to a number. Whatever the case may be, you can play around with it. It is completely up to you. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit the bullet point style in a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.